This is Azurite. We're going to make a bracelet using Azurite, and I believe this is dyed halite. Make a loop like that. I'm awkward here. Alright, let's do it to where I'm not awkward. I'm getting used to this wire. And then whenever I grab the dead soft wire, I'm gonna really bend it. Thought this would be a cute little bracelet, maybe to wear with some denim or something. Trying to get that end down. And where's my little file? Oh, it's right in front of my eyes. Golly, I'm blind. I've had to look for everything today. Where are you? I felt you. A little sharp. Oh, there it is. I got these little files that, oh, where was it? Harbor Freight. They were cheap too. Okay. I'll show you how to get started on this, and then I'll finish, because it's just repetitive over and over and over again. And these are corner to corner. Get down as far as you can to that without breaking it, because I've already broke one bead. It was me, I think. I don't think it was the bead, I think it was me. We're gonna make it links like that. Yeah, that looks better, I think. Whenever they're cut like that, it's hard to make them look good. Alright, then we're all the way up against everything. Keep us a little place here to make our wrap. Bend it down, wrap it over, go over it, and then thanks. Well, it's long enough I can do it. The short ones are the ones I have issue getting to go around. Trying not to set my tools down too hard. And where are they? There. Just be careful, I've already broke one. Not of this one. I broke another bead. I have to snip out a little bit further back. If I can. Without cutting anything else. Well, oh shoot, I shot it across the room. That's easy to do. I didn't put my thumb over it. I think I might have to cut more off of it. Unless I can get it to go up there. I don't want to break the stone. Okay. Alright, that's our link. I'm going to show you how to get the next one started. And then I'll be back and show you how to do a clasp or bend it back like we did the original. Look like that. Snap it on. You've got it through like that. Oops. They need to make a padded caddy that you can put your tools in so they don't go clunk every time. And whenever you're working in such a tight area, to get in the shot, you want to keep everything close. Now, there. I can get it in the hole. It just won't go nowhere. And that was the problem I was having with other beads. I don't think they're drilled straight. Just a few of them. Especially the big ones. then one of these. Try to find another one of these that'll go on. This is going to be time consuming. That, I think we'll lay that one out. Some of them just are not drilled good. Right. And I'm going to leave you here, and I'll be back. I'm going to finish making the length of the bracelet, and then we'll do the clasp. I'm going to make a clasp for this. And I think I'm going to try to make an S clasp. I've got some 18 gauge wire, about about 2 3/4 inch. So I am going to curl up that end. Ouch. Okay. Alright, we're gonna have to use these. I can't make the round this big as I wanted to. There. That's what it looks like. We're going to hammer it. as we hammer it, it'll open up a little bit and you'll have to close it back. So I'm gonna scooch that back just a little bit. And there we go. Hook it on that side. So that we're together, pretty much. And then we'll get another one and put on the other side. Oops. You always twist them. You don't ever open them up because you'll never get them back closed. I mean, you might, but it'll take some work. Alright. Don't need that one. Got an extra one out.